Saturn. In Vedic Sanskrit language, it is called Shani. Shani means slow. Like Mars, the Saturn is also known as the cruel planet in the whole zodiac, as per the astrology philosophy is concerned. But if you listen to the autobiography of Saturn, you will realize he is judge of the zodiac. And he says, when you occupy in the world, then you have to leave so many people. You have to keep away yourself from the worldly affairs and look after the zodiac, people, earth and all the planets. In the autobiography of Saturn, the Saturn says, I am born out of the sun planet. Sun is my father, the second wife of the sun. The first wife, Sangya, and my mother gave birth to Tapti and one Manu and me. Once, out of jealousy, my mother started screwing my stepbrother Yam. He raised his leg to hit my mother. I saw my father not behaving properly with my mother. I got angry with him and went away and took the place farthest away from my son. I love my mother. I always miss my brothers too, but I always nurture them, always look after them. Due to my face and not looking beautiful, looking little older, that whomsoever you will look will be considered as a bad omen, and maybe he is burnt. Due to my loneliness, I got friendship with the teacher of the demons, Venus. We used to roam together. Whenever I felt alone, I enjoyed his company. We didn't like the arrogance of the father-in-law of Lord Shiva. We ate all what they made to eat for the guests. Then Lord Shiva could know it. Then he offered us some herbs and we got satisfied. But with arrogance, we walked out of the marriage. He considers as I am one of the part of Lord Shiva's. I always loved those people, those who are troubled by the demons or troubled by the arrogant people. Once the two demons, they used to enter into any party of Brahmins, the teachers, and started eating the Brahmins itself. I once entered into that party where two demons were there, and I entered into their stomach and burnt their intestines. Because of my distance from the sun, I always envy moon, and I always see that I don't have wife and moon has 27 wives. I never get enmity with the woman. I love them. He used to love Rohini, his wife. Whenever I am in enmity with any wife of the moon, especially the Rohini, ruled by moon, loved by moon, then it's a furious situation on the earth. People usually say, I am black in color, but nobody knows. I am very handsome. It's a handsome color of a male, and everybody knows that I am a handsome person. They feel jealous of me. By seeing my qualities of patience, justice, and pain for the downtrodden and people suffering, Lord Brahma gave me the chair of a judge and made me in charge of the earth. If I analyze the autobiography of Saturn, I will say he is a judge of the zodiac. He is a king, maker. Without his grace, you cannot become king. And if he is angry, he looks at you, then you are gone. You will be a pauper or may not be on the earth. He is in charge of life and death on the earth. He is lame, he goes slow. He is born out of the womb of a demonish mother, cares for more material things. The planet Sun, Surya, loves his father but remains at a distance from him. As he is chief of the army staff of the demon's army, wherever there is injustice, he will fight for them. All minerals, metals, whatever is under the earth are due to Saturn. Saturn also denotes misery, death, life, servants, one without manliness, old age, grey hairs, bones, bone marrow, intestines.